What's going on, guys? So you probably saw the video where we drove to town with the tractor tires on Earl, and I honestly just got done saying see you guys in the next one from that video, and now we're starting a new video. That's just how it goes sometimes. Still waiting on my exhaust tips to come in, but we're gonna be doing that. So I gotta have Earl ready to rip, ready to drive, get the exhaust on, and then actually enjoy this truck. Because whenever we do get the bumpers painted, I've already called and got everything lined up. The bumpers are gonna have to be off for like a week, so that means I gotta drive another truck for like a week. So Earl, it's gonna be you. It's kind of crazy. These things are still hot. It's probably been easily 30 minutes since I got off the highway, and these things are still pretty warm. Oh, does that make y'all cringe? That's some whistling diesel stuff right there. That would hurt me if these things weren't already scratched up pretty good. I ain't going nowhere. We good. Oh, we are all loaded up as y'all saw, and it feels like we were just here like the other day getting the 22x12s ready to go on there, you know, balancing them. A little sad, but we're gonna be putting these back on here. These are actually the stock tires that came with it on my 2018, and these probably have less miles on them than this truck does. I have 4,000 something miles on this truck already, and I think at like 3,000, maybe it was 5,000, I took these off because I replaced them with these. So these are literally brand new. Try to give them away on Facebook for like 200 bucks. No one wants to buy them, so you know what, we put them back on here, and they're gonna go on Earl, and Earl's gonna be a nice street cruiser for a little while. And then we'll probably slap some of my tires or have a different setup on here. Look at Larry over there looking cute. Wrapped up. We're gonna get Jacob's honest opinion on the truck with the 22x12s, because a lot of y'all hating on why would you lower a Trail Boss. Be honest, does it look good?
Looks a whole lot better.
Okay.
Whole lot.
There we go. All right. You think it's ruined because I lowered the back a little bit?
Definitely not.
Definitely not. Dude, y'all, come on, guys. Come on, quit hating on it. It ain't ruined. It's a $50 lift block we took out. Come on. Look at her. But once again, huge shout out to Jacob. Hooking it up. We got the tractor tires off of here. I guess I ain't even showed y'all yet, but shoot. We're back on the streets. He's gonna keep an eye out. They get some used mud tires in here. We're gonna maybe scoop them up, slap them on here. Or maybe he just let us borrow these mud graps for a couple days. That's what I need to. That's what Earl needs. Everybody in the comments talking about mud graps. This is exactly what I need. 2019 wheels, some 33s. Sheesh. Treat you right. But I guess we're gonna head back to the house and get these babies on Earl. Quick little pro tip for y'all. I don't know if y'all have a kangaroo. What is this? Circle K. Y'all got one of these in your town? You gotta run premium or you just want to? Thursdays, they got 20 cents off. So it's literally premium's $3.01 today. It's only just a couple cents more than the plus, like 20, 30 cents more than the regular. But yeah, I try to do one fill up a week. Sometimes I don't make it, like this past week. But yeah, every Thursday I come over here, fill her up, save you 20 cents a gallon. It adds up. $3.01 for premium, not too shabby. So happy to report Earl is driving exceptionally well now. So if you saw the last video, we were cruising on the tractor tires. You know, it was pretty brutal. So it's good to know we didn't ruin Earl. We're cruising on the new setup, riding like a dream. I did, going back, looking at the footage, there was some wet spot in the front left fender well. So I ended up getting under there and checking when I swapped these back on. And it was actually that front left brake caliper line. We replaced the little washer on it previously where it was leaking. And apparently the extreme tractor tire vibration actually wiggled the bolt loose and it was leaking. But I snugged it down. This is the first drive. We'll get back. I cleaned it all up and everything. When we get back to the farm, I'll check to see if it's leaking any. We might end up having to replace that caliper or the line. But I'm about sick and tired of the brakes being an issue. That's kind of an important thing that doesn't need to be an issue. But anyways, just had to go take this thing for a quick cruise to make sure it's didn't get ruined by the tractor tires. But now I'm happy to report Earl is rocking and rolling, and now when the trail boss is going to have to go down, we will be able to daily Earl, or even Larry, but probably Earl. And there she is. So like I said, man, pretty clean. I ain't gonna lie, pretty clean. I know it would look really good with some, you know, some X-Comp, some mud graps, something like that. But this is, you know, this is definitely gonna work for a while. And I got Jacob, look, he gonna keep an eye out for any used mud tires that they get in for an 18. I just have to slap them on here. I just don't really see justifying $1,000, $2,000 for mud tires on something that I'm really not going to drive that much, even though I guess I could technically put these wheels and tires on the Trail Boss, rock that look if I did put some 35s on here. But then again, I don't really know how these 18s would look on the Trail Boss. I think they would look really small, and you know, if you go small wheel, you gotta go the off-road style wheel. Those look really good. But dang, look at the sky, looking gorgeous out here. But I think this is a really clean look for Earl. I think I've said that like 20 times at this point, but anyways, you can definitely comment down below. I think these 2018 wheels fit pretty well on this body style. It's like a classic touch, but still looks good. I hear some mud graps. I miss mud graps. I need some. All right, guys, well, that's about gonna do it for this video. Hopefully you did enjoy. Definitely comment down below. Let me know what you think about Earl. Hopefully y'all are enjoying all these videos. If you are, be sure to leave a like so I know, because I do definitely look at the comments and the likes, but I guess the likes more so tell me, hey, we're really enjoying this. Because if they get close to like 1,000 likes, I'm like, dude, they're really enjoying this content, which y'all usually really like the Larry and Earl videos. Like, you actually like the button. A lot of y'all like to watch the Trail Boss videos and stuff, but you actually like on YouTube this stuff. So the more you do that, the more content I will put out for it. So we do have some big plans for Larry, and we're gonna figure out some stuff for Earl, or possibly sell Earl and start something different. I really want to do a 2000 to 2007 Sierra or Silverado, but I don't need another truck. I don't need another insurance. So maybe say goodbye to Earl. I don't know. I like Earl, but at the same time, if I'm gonna sell one, it'd be Earl. So I don't know. Anyways, with all that being said, hopefully you did enjoy. I'll see y'all in the next one.